Let's see how we can make game objects bounce around the scene like what you are seeing right now. So let's get to it. First, create a physics material and name it bouncy. You can name it whatever you want. On the physics material inspector window, set the dynamic and static friction to 0 and set bounciness to 1. I have created 3 spheres, each attached with a sphere collider. This should come by default once you add the sphere game object to the scene. I will select the spheres and attach the bouncy material we just created. We do the same for the cubes. Let's try and run the game and see what happens. Well, nothing happens. I guess you might know why this is happening. It's because how do you expect it to fail when it's not affected by gravity? So let's select all our objects and attach this rigid body component to it. Make sure the use gravity checkbox is checked as shown here. Let's run the scene again and see if we get the desired results. Yeah, we can see a bit of objects bouncing around, but I want to improve its bounciness even more. To do this, we go back to the physics material and set the bounce combined to maximum. Now we see a noticeable amount of bounciness in the scene, and this is what I wanted. Now from here, you can play around with various settings on the physics material until you achieve your desired output. From here, you know what to do. I will tweak my settings and see what I like best. I like this so far. Depending on your situation, you'll definitely have a feel of what you want once you have played around with these physics material settings.